Nerf War FBJ The King Battle.
This is so boring. The girls, they only have to play with.
It's so cool the twins came to visit us.
This is so fun. I don't have space things up.
Ouch, why'd you do that, Liam?
I'm playing dodgeball.
I don't think so.
Stop it, guys. This isn't funny.
If you guys don't stop, I'm telling your dad.
We are not scared.
That's it. Come on, Addie. Dad, the twins keep trying to hit us with the bouncy ball.
Yeah, they think we're playing dodgeball.
But what did you guys want to play?
I don't know, just catch, I guess.
Well, see, that's just it. Boys like to play rough.
Well, we don't want to play rough.
Well, why don't you guys...
Well, I'm sorry, girls, but if you want to play with boys, you got to get used to the rough play.
Well, what do you think, Daddy?
Well, why not just find something else to do?
Whatever.
You know, girls like to play a little differently than boys.
They'll be fine. I'm sure they're not playing that rough. Okay, it's your move.
I wonder where the girls went. I don't know. I think they're getting us in trouble. Girls. I just don't get them. I know, right? They just play dolls and stockings. You thinking that I figured? Oh yeah, but someone has some real friends. Hey Dad, did you see the girls?
I don't know. But have you guys been playing rough with Jillian and Addie?
We just being ourselves.
See, that's what I'm afraid of. You guys want to be invited back to their house, don't you?
Yeah.
Then please be nice and ease up a little, okay?
Okay, Daddy. You see me anywhere? Nope. She like dolls. Let's show them how we play some dolls. Hey girls, what are you doing?
Playing with our Monster High dolls.
Can we play?
Sure, as long as you're nice. I don't see how they can play rough with these.
If you want to play with these dolls, come and get us.
I think these boys need to see our new toy collection.
Oh yeah, let's get 'em.
Did we lost them? Yeah, too fast. You sure about that? What do you mean? Look! You've got to be kidding me.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
I thought you guys like to play it rough.
Did you know that they had those guns? No, I didn't see those guns before. Don't worry, I have something for them. What is it? Time to payback time!
Nice outfits.
going. Just trust me. I've got something special for the twins.
Where did they go? I think they went that way.
Are you sure?
No, let's try it out.
Hashtag girl power.
Now are you guys gonna play nice?
Aren't we really getting into this? It's just for now. Wait for them to come at our house. PBD all the way. Awesome, watch this. Hey, Liam, Daddy's out. Any reason we have to go get him? But he did shoot us in the car a couple weeks ago. But so did we. Does remember he said he wants us to finish the battle. So let's do it now. What do you have in mind? Let's just scare him for now. We can take care of him another day. Okay, but this is really lame.
Hey guys, you hear that noise? Hey look, the kids are playing with their new toys they got. Ow! Hey guys, stop that! Guys, stop that, it's not funny. There you guys are. Speaking of remote controls, did you know I still have this Phantom 4? I found it still active when I was taking out the trash.
So what?
So what? Wait till you see it again. I reprogrammed it with a couple new features I'm sure you're gonna like. Just wait until I unleash it again. But in the meantime, I need to take these babies in for their naps.
See you later, Daddy-O. I think we're pretty good at this payback stuff. True, but can you think of a couple people who had not had their payback yet?
Hashtag girl power.
I'll tell Daddy to fight them, and you meet me down by the arsenal. Let's do it!
So, you guys excited to hang out with Eli and Liam again?
Yeah, we had fun last time they came over.
I wonder what games they have planned for us.
Well, whatever it is, get ready for some more rough play.
I don't think we need to worry about that again.
Yeah, we let them know what happens when girls decide to play rough too. I mean, I think they learned their lesson after we destroyed them last time, didn't they? You don't think the twins would try anything sneaky because what happened at our house last time, do you?
Don't worry, because if they do, I've got something for them.
Okay, cool. What is it?
Don't worry, just trust me. Just do whatever I say, whenever I say it.
Okay. Just because you're older than me doesn't make you the boss of me.
Let's just say our gun collection got a little bit sweeter.
Ah, this is gonna be fun.
At least this time we will choose any gun we want. Let's just use all of them. Are you serious? Yeah, think about it. We need to make sure that we never forget to stay and sound the lace of madness. Yeah, some PBT madness. PBT all the way.
Now, boys, that's completely uncalled for.
Guys, what are you doing?
No mercy!
Eli and Liam, stop! Stop, wait!
These guys are crazy.
Actually, I knew this was gonna happen.
What? How?
Boys are so predictable.
So now do I get to know about our sweet new arsenal?
Girls, go ahead. I got this.
No, Daddy, you don't know what you're doing.
Maybe so, but this has to stop.
Hey, Bob, catch!
But how did you...
Trust me, when you live in this family, you're always prepared. Come on, they ran out of ammo.
So long, suckers!
Parents. Okay, Addie, check this out.
No way they stand a chance now.
Let's do this. Hashtag girl power. Eddie, let's go get the twin that doesn't have a gun.
I got an idea. Hope we're not too late.
Okay, this is our last hope. Unless there's something massive, we can't be stopped.
What are you doing here?
Protecting myself. What are you doing here?
Hiding from him.
James, come here. Stop, man. I almost had a girl. Don't worry about that. Just follow me. How's this for a hashtag? to see you again.
Even with our new arsenal, we still got destroyed.
If we are gonna stand a chance next time, we'll need some backup.
I've got it! We need more girls.
That's it! More girl power. Time to call in the reinforcements.
Damn it! Come on. So close to getting my kill streaks. Hey Kyle, can we play Minecraft?
No way, I'm playing Call of Duty.
Please!
What are you gonna do about it? Crap.
15 seconds to run away.
Crap.
An idea. Let's go around him.
You're gonna die.
He didn't do the dishes last night.
This Lego model is so cool. We should take a picture. Yeah, I'll get the camera. Oh, let's both do it. I can't wait to take a picture of this. It's gonna be good. Girls declare war, I think. Go and get the guns. Oh my god. Oh, this.
Hey!
So the girls have got a base. Yeah. Have you got a grenade? Yeah, look. Okay. Let's go. Get out. Okay, so
We definitely need to beat the boys this time.
yep.
We're so gonna beat the boys this time. Oh, what was that?
To get rid of the girls, we need to charge.
Can't see them.
It's not. Now we got the base. We're going to do so well because we're so good at it. Oh, look, what's that? Let's go to the forest. Let's go.
So, how come you guys came alive so quickly?
How come you shot us when you were dead? I think there's someone else. Same. But girls, I need to ask you something.
What?
To kill this enemy of ours, we need to team up.
Agreed.
We made a great team. Yeah. Shame we have to go back to the war. Maybe we could end it.
Yeah.
Nah, maybe next time.
How long have they been watching TV for?
Since like 7, so they've been playing for like about 2 hours.
Guys, it's our turn. We want to play Fortnite.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do to stop us.
Oh yeah, well just you wait.
Hayden, what are you doing?
They won't give us the TV, so they're gonna pay.
Okay, but you're gonna need my help.
What the heck? Oh, yeah.
You got nowhere to go. Come on out.
You better open up right now. Now let's go finish off the other. Oh, fuck.
Hasta la vista, baby. You guys have learned a lesson this time.
Hey Tim, look what I got. It's a cool vortex gun. It's awesome, cool, accurate, and it's so cool to shoot with.
Stop bragging about your new stupid little gun.
That was a warning shot.
Follow me. Do you really think you should have done that?
Oh, please.
Hey, get back here!
Braggers.
Can I try?
Are you sure? I mean, this is some pro magic. It's not my responsibility if you get hurt. Here you go.
Timothy! Timothy! I know the way to wake him up.
That really hurt. That calls for Nerf war.